Alright, so I'm D Brooks, the sneaker therapist, and right now we're going to do um, a full restoration on some Bred 4s. So right now I'm simply taping up the midsole just to prep it and get ready to pull this paint off. It's very simple, it's not complicated, um, but also let's make sure we all like, comment, and subscribe so we can see to it that we keep these things rolling. Alright, so right now we're pulling off the tape. Pulling off the paint. Yep. If you have any questions in regards to anything, it should be in the description. But if not, it's simple and easy just to leave a comment and I'll get right back to you. Here we go. We're prepping the deoxidize. The right is after, the left is before. So we deoxidize the soles. Right now we're also getting ready to just simply deep clean the sneaker. So you see me retaping right now, and I'm pressing down firmly with the back of my Sharpie just to see to it that it adheres firmly. Here goes your base coat. Okay, so now we put down the base coat. Um, as far as the white and black, I did use Angelus flat white and Angelus flat black. Two coats of the base coat, two coats of the white, two coats of the black. And before I put my tape down, I put a top coat over the white, only the white, just to see to it that the tape doesn't pull the paint back up. And then you have to it gets chunky and it gets like, just make sure you be careful when you're doing this. Boom. Here goes your coats of the black. I tape off slowly, then I clean up any mishaps, and then get them in shape, photo ready, and then on their way back to their owner. But also, thanks for watching this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and just ring that bell so we can see to it that we ring the bell when we repost more things. Here goes before, and here goes after. Thank you. Thanks for watching.